Let us fantasize a little. Just pretend that each and every human being on Earth gives you $1. It is not that much, but you turn into a billionaire overnight. Fantastic, isn't it? There, you meet just one problem: their motivation. All ingenious is simple. By entering our international program of mutual aid called Goldline International, you become a person who gets hundreds of money transfers from all over the world every day. By the way, these transfers are even greater than we have recently calculated. You get them in amounts of $5, $10, or even $15 each. The goal of the entire system we created is to make extra income possible for everyone. Goldline International is not an open system. You can enter the program only by using a certificate of its active participant. To complete the registration process, you should make only one payment of $55. This entering fee is the keystone in the foundation of your fourth growing income in Goldline International. Our system automatically distributes your payments between a number of members in following amounts. A person whose name is the last in the participant list gets $10. The second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth get $5 each. A person whose name is at the top of the list gets $15. Only $5 do not leave Goldline, and we use them for maintenance of your personal account in the system. Your personal certificate is being formed automatically using your personal invitational certificate. Now your name gets into the participant list and moves everyone above one line upwards. Now you can easily invite anyone using your personal invitational certificate to join Goldline International. You can easily make a printed version of your certificate and give it to anyone as an invitation one. Moreover, you can use a special web link that will contain your online invitational code. Your only purpose is to invite as many people as possible to GLI. Thus, extra income becomes possible for you and for everyone who gets into the member list. The more registrations are being made, the more income you get. Every time a newcomer registers in our system, you get $10 as your name stands at the bottom of the member list or the virtual line. Your personal invitational certificate shortly becomes the parental one and forms just the same as you have. In that new certificate, your name moves one line up. When your invitee certificate forms another one, you get one step further in our virtual line. Let us see how it works in practice. We pretend that you have invited 5 persons. Your income is $50 and your name is being placed on the 6th line in 5 personal certificates of your invitees. Not that promising as you thought. Well, listen carefully. Every pre-motivated invitee invites 5 persons. You get $125 and your name gets onto the 5th line in 25 personal certificates. Now it's getting more fun. On the next step, you earn $625 if everyone invites only 5 persons into the system. Your name gets onto the 4th line in 125 personal certificates. Next step brings you $3,125. Your name is on the 3rd position in 625 certificates. Next, you get $15,625 and your name is on the 2nd line in 3,125 certificates. On the next page of our Book of Welfare, we come up to the step where you earn $78,125. Your name gets onto the 1st line in 15,625 personal certificates. 78,125 users registered using their brand new personal certificates and your name stands right in the very top of the list. This means that you get $1,171,875 in transactions right onto your personal account. Now, Mr. Gates, you've earned $1,269,550 and your name is being mentioned in 19,530 certificates, which means that you get money in a chain reaction model. Goldline International has a common rule for everyone. It is an annual fee of $25 of mutual aid. Every person mentioned in your parental invitational certificate gets $3. The rest of the amount is $4. GLI spends them on your account maintenance. Perform just 1 + 5 actions and you're a rich person that has an income of thousands of dollars annually. This passively working system is a masterpiece of ours. Mutual aid works perfectly, and your name appears in more and more certificates. In our quite primitive example, the system gets almost 100,000 active users, and you earn $300,000 a year. And don't forget that you have invited only 5 persons. In reality, you can invite as many people as you wish. Purchase your personal GLI certificate now and promote our international mutual aid program amongst your friends, mates, and people that are worth being a part of our big family.